Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Ford Fusion. You can have both. Impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, front performance tires, rear performance tires, four-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Come take a test drive today.